Hello, I'll be going over a quick demo of Gerent's Admissions Aid Assistant agent. This was built using the new Agentforce platform. So this agent can answer various queries that a student may have about the admissions process, answer questions about their application status, provide information about campus and housing, as well as answer questions about financial aid. So I will jump right into it. You can see here, I've got an Experience Cloud site. This is not so pretty, but it's a fictitious university called Evergreen. And we can see I will start the chat right here. So I just got to fill in some of this information. But right away, I'll start the chat. And you can see that the student support agent has joined. So welcome to Evergreen University. I'm here to help with admissions, academics, and campus life queries. How can I assist you today? So I'll go ahead and ask, what is the application process for the engineering program? We should get a response shortly. And as you can see, our agent spit out a pretty long response here. So you can see there's quite a bit of detail. The application process for the School of Engineering at Evergreen includes the following steps and requirements. So there's quite a bit here. I won't read through all of it, of course, but there's detailed information as far as high school requirements, so 4 years of math, calculus, science, etc. Information around an engineering essay required to submit, a portfolio that's optional, minimum GPA requirements, SAT score requirements, and so on. Now let's say I want to ask about financial aid. So if I say, am I eligible for financial aid? And we can see pretty long detailed response here about all of the eligibility requirements for financial aid. So US citizenship, valid social security number, high school diploma, enrollment requirements, satisfactory academic progress, registration with selective service, no default on existing federal student loans, and so on. Now let's say I want to ask, I'm seeing reference to FAFSA. Let's say I do not know what FAFSA is and I'm just curious, and we'll see what our agent responds. And we can see again a quite long and detailed response about the free application for federal student aid and what exactly it is, how it's relevant, and so on. You can see that the FAFSA becomes available on October 1st each year, which is great. So that's awesome. Turns out I actually applied already. So let me see, what is my application status? And we will see that the agent should ask me for my email just to confirm. So can you please provide your email address so I can look up your application status? No problem. And then we should shortly get a response with my application status. So we can see that here. So my application, my name here, the program I applied, mechanical engineering, the semester, the application status under review, the level, and the program as well. Great. Now let's say I would like to speak to a human. I'm tired of talking to an AI agent. We can see how quickly that will get routed. So can I speak to a human? And the transfer request goes through. And now I will transfer to Salesforce, where you can see that the internal agent gets the human agent, gets the chat. They can pick it up and start chatting. You can see here I have the entire history of the conversation that was had with the agent. I can read that as the internal agent and respond, hey, how can I help? And then if we go back here, we can see that in real time that response get reported. And I'll just respond here so you can see it works both ways. And just before I go, the last thing I want to show is the agent builder behind this. So what was done to set it up? You can see this is a pretty straightforward agent. There's really just 3 topics: escalation, application lookup, and general FAQs. So general FAQs is powered by knowledge. Application lookup is a custom copilot or agent action, and escalation is what routes us to a human.